Hello, my dear lovely kids. So children, today we will revise the topics together. So let's start. Which topic is related to which topic? So kids, as you know, we already talked about them. So first our topic is myself, then my body parts, after that my family and my house. So kids, let's start with myself. Okay children, so I am a girl or I am a boy. If you are a girl, then you can say I am a girl, or if you are a boy, then you can say I am a boy. Then I am 5 or 6 years old. Say with me, I am 5 or 6 years old. आप जितने भी साल के हैं. So children, say with me, I study in nursery class. I study in nursery class. So children, after that, you have to see so many body parts are there about your body parts. You can take out, if you want to take out your preschool EVS activity book A, you can take and read with me. Okay children, so I have 2 eyes. Do you have eyes children? Okay, how many eyes? 2 eyes. Touch your eyes. Okay, this is an eye. This is a nose. I have 1 nose. This is a hand. I have 2 hands. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. Touch your hands. Shake your hands. Very good. These are legs. These are legs. So touch your legs, bacho. Good. Now children, lips. This is an ear. So how many ears? You have 2 ears. These are fingers, children. 10 fingers in your hand. These are toes. So children, these are your body parts. So you have to touch your body parts and say loudly. So kids, I have 2 eyes to see. Say with me, I have 2 eyes to see. I have 2 ears to listen. Then I have 1 nose to smell. Touch your nose and smell, bacho. Good. Now I have 2 legs to walk. I have 2 hands to do work. Kids, we are talking about myself, my body parts. Now, children, we all live with someone, and the people we live with, we call it family. You know children, we live with someone. So what we call it? We call it my family. My family. So there are many family members in a family. See, grandfather, she is my grandmother, she is my mother, he is my father, she is my sister, he is my brother, Do you have a family, children? Very good. So, she's your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, sister, and brother. We live together in family. You remember, children, that we talked about the family and their family members and their work? Yes. Mama cooks food for us. Okay? We play with our brother and sister. And do you know, kids, that we all live together, but where do we live? We all live in one place, children, that we call home. So kids, we live with our family and relatives, and we all live in a house. A house has a roof, windows, door, and walls. So children, it has many rooms like drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. So kids, we all live with our family in home. So kids, these all topics are related to each other. First, myself, then my body parts, then my family, and my house. Lovely kids, take out your draw and color one book. Open the page number 27. You can see beautiful picture over here. So kids, we put curtains on our house and our rooms look beautiful with curtains. So kids, these curtains are related to our house. So what if you look carefully at the patterns on the left, copy the color, the patterns on the right. What we have to do over here, this side is plain, so we have to copy these patterns over here. I'm using my pen, you have to use your pencil. So draw like that, make curves and make the design. So kids, we talked about myself, then we talked about our body parts, जो body parts से वो हमसे related हैं. Then we live with our family, family also related with us. Then we live in a house with our family. So kids, these all are related to each other. And kids, our rooms look beautiful with curtains. So what we have to do, we have to color this curtain. So take out your yellow and orange color. Yellow in this design you have to color, and now in this area you can color with orange like that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to color. Kids, if you have this one color, mud yellow, so you can use this one color. Otherwise you can use this orange color. I don't have this color, so I'm using this. So you have to fill like that. Okay kids? Yes. Kids, you can fill yellow color in these designs. Can you see, children? Okay. So kids, we revised and talked about 4 topics. First, myself, then my body parts. After that, my family and my family members. And in the last, my house. So kids, these topics are related to each other. Follow the instructions, complete this page, keep learning, keep watching. Bye-bye.